Alright, good day, guys. My name is Testimony Adekunle, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to design uh, event flyer, online class flyer, just like the one you are seeing on your screen now. Alright, this is a free design training. Of course, I designed this, so I will clear it off and we'll start another one from scratch till finish. So sit back, enjoy yourself, let's move. Alright, so I would like to choose a default background from Pixel here. Alright, I already cleared this off. So for easy access of the flyer, I will bring it in. For easy access of the information, I'll bring it in so that we can easily copy the informations on it. So let's type our design. So there's no particular way to start. So you could decide to do your your background first. You could decide to bring your element in first. So you could decide to add your text first. There's no good way to start. Just start somewhere. So I'll add all these text. So I don't want this video to be long. Allow me to add the text. Alright, I have gotten all my text ready. So let me try and arrange it now. This around I don't know. Let me try and arrange it as I change the font. The font I use for this, I can easily find it here. Okay, this is the font I used for this, the same font. Alright, so this one is more bigger. Alright, let's see the size. Okay, I think I used 96 and this one is about 85. Yes, exactly. That's it. So what other thing? Then with the font I used, I'll make the font available around this video. You'll find the font around this video. I think the font I use should be, let me see if I'm correct now. No, the font I used should be, yes, that's okay, minimalistic, that's the name. And for testimony, the same font. Alright, so I think this is cool now. This is cool. Then what you will learn, the font I use is monument or something. Alright, so I try and reduce it to 15. Am I correct? Is it 15? Alright, let's leave it at 15. Then those things you will learn is also monument. Let's reduce it to a good with 14. Is it 14? Let's go with 12 first. If there is need to increase it, we'll definitely do that. So then we have our date somewhere here. So the minimalistic font for it, so I put in it. I hope you are following. So what else? Okay, the free design training at the top. the same font. So you reduce the size, then use line spacing to space it. We leave it at 64. Alright, let's still reduce this size. 15 is good. Alright, we're almost there. The same font for this. No, okay, I think minimalistic for this. Is that correct? Yeah. So then the name will be this font. Then you reduce the size, put it somewhere here, and you are good. Alright, so the next thing we want to do now, we still have other elements to bring in. Let me do that quickly. Let me bring in my pictures and other elements. Where's this photo room? Alright. Alright, so pay attention now. Here I try and crop the picture to the taste I want. You know how to do that. Select the part you want. Alright, so I flip it with this. So then initially what Pixela would do is to leave it in square like this. So I press this circle icon to get the circle shape that I can easily crop the head. Alright, you can see I only crop the head, so we are good with that. Alright, so the next thing we want to do now is to bring in our background. So you can easily input your background from here. Alright, with that 3 dots you will use image from gallery. So my background is not far. Let me see. It should not be far. It shouldn't be far. It shouldn't be far. Okay, let me check here. I actually downloaded the background from is it Pinterest now? No, I got it from Free Pick, if I'm correct. Yeah, I got it from Free Pick. So select this part now and you are good. Just exactly this way. So I try to filter it. Just come to the last icon at the bottom here. You can see the last icon here. So just come here. When you get there, for the background, the hue. Okay, where is it? Yes, the hue is 60. Alright, the contrast is 30. Contrast is 30. I think that's all for that, if I'm correct now. Okay, that's all for that. That's all. So then the next thing you want to do now is, okay, there is a shape at the bottom. So there is no way to do all these things. Just as the inspiration comes, just add whatever you need to add and make a good design. So let me change. Okay, for this I used white and yellow. White and select the part. I already have the yellow here, so let's check the color code. You can see we have FF, excuse me, we have FFBE01, FFBE01. So you can copy, you can write the color code here and input it, input it here, so to give you the color automatically. So we are good with that. The design, I use texture on it, so you find the texture around this video too. The texture, I actually got it from Pinterest. Right, so that's what I use. Then for this, the same thing. So when you use it, you try and enable this. All right, so we are good with that. So the next thing you want to do is to add, change all these things to white so that you can see them. First change them to white so that they will be visible. Change their color to white for them to be visible. Alright, we are good now. So the next thing you want to do is this width is lying on 2 circles like that. So let's add those circles. Alright, we have one like this that is at the back. Alright, at the back, you send it to the back. I'll change the color. The color I used for that, let me see if I think this is the color I used. Or better still, if you want to get the color, you can as well pick it. You can use your color picker tool or sucker tool. Alright, just click on it, select the design and bring it, get the color. So you will be seeing the change here. So get the color and you are good. So that's that. Then I reduce the opacity to about, I don't know now, let's just use 30. Then copy again, reduce it and increase the opacity. So actually on this I use texture, though with the same color. I use texture with the same color. So this is texture, you can see the same color overlapping each other. Alright, this one is more, the first one here, this first one is light and this one is more dark than the other. You can copy the color code A81531 and the second one is 780F23. So that's the color code for that. We still need to reduce this. Alright, and bring the width, bring it up, reduce the size to 30. Make sure it is well arranged. Make sure it is well arranged. Then we are moving. We'll soon be done now. Alright, this one is good at 50. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to add background to this. Add background. I use the same texture. Add background. You can give it like 7 the left and right padding 7 the button 1 and radius is 5. I hope you got that. So let's still reduce the size to 14. Right, we are good. Let's try and align it well. So most times I don't use the grid line self. This grid line, I don't use it most time because my hand is somehow straight. Alright. So try and align it well. So we are getting there. Alright, so for this, the free design resources is in yellow too. The same color, don't forget the color code FFBE01. So you can write the color code down and use it. So the next thing you want to do is add background to these two. Let's go with the same thing. Padding is 7.7. Left and right padding is 7.7. Top 1, bottom padding 1, and the radius is 5. And you are good. Reduce the size to maybe like 11 is good. I think we still need to reduce the padding now. It is too long. Let's leave it at 2.2. Alright, 2.2 is cool. But before that, before we place it here, what else? Okay, before we place it, let's add the circle stuff. The circle. Alright, send the circle to the back. Send it to the back. Increase your, use your picture. Of course, I will not provide my alright. So, and I filter the picture, I rotate it. So because it's somehow bent, so I had to rotate it by 5. Then filter it, reduce the saturation somehow so that to pop up. Then copy the circle shape again. Come to edit, reduce the opacity to 0. Increase the stroke by 2. Change the color of the stroke to white. See, it's that simple. So bring it here. So this one is cool now. Wow, very good. So then I added something to the background. Click on sticker. Come here. Here. And click on sticker. One white sticker will appear. So if you want to get the if you click on mark, it will take it off. So what you will do is, once you click on the sticker, just press any place, just press any other place, so it will stay. I'm coming, or just click on this back on your screen, this back of 18 on your screen. So when you back it, it will stay. So what I did is I try and bring it here, change it to black, so that it will be as if I'm staying in front of the circle. So I now bring the circle, no, what did I do? I bring the picture up, send it to front. Alright, so how do you see that? Try and still reduce the shape. So bring the picture to the front again. Alright, so that's that about that. So this one is around 18 or 20. So let me quickly bring the Okay, before that, let's create this shape here. The shape here. So I use texture on it. Click on texture. You find the texture around this video too. So I downloaded the texture from Pinterest. Where are you? Is it from Pinterest? I don't know. Okay, this is it. So I actually not enable this. Did I enable that? Yes, I enabled it. Yes, and leave it at 100. So that's how I get the shape. So then, what's the name there? Tap to sign up. Let me quickly add that. Tap to sign up. Alright, so let me quickly bring the other element. Alright, so the elements are here. You notice that there is a kind of arrow here. Can you see that? So you rotate it, bring it here, give it color black, and you are good. It is fine. So then write the text bit.ly/design and N001. Right, we are good. Bring it here. The same font we've been using, monument. Right, give it color black. Oh, sorry, color like wine. So 15 is good. Then I added shape. This shape, give it radius, reduce it, reduce the opacity, increase the stroke by 3, and the stroke will be black. Alright, so you bring it down here. You can still edit it. You can bring it down and be editing it. Do you understand? Alright, so and you are good with that. So what other thing? Reduce this and bring it to the front, just like this. So I filter it to okay, I don't know now. The EU is 50 minus 56. Minus 56 is the EU. Alright, the saturation is plus 28. The brightness is minus 38. Minus 38. Minus 38. Alright, and the contrast is plus 24. Alright, we are good. Just exactly the one like the one on the flyer. So this is the main design, the rest is history. So let me try and bring in this kind of coin. I already blur it with photo room. Alright, so you can do that too. I'll provide it though. Already blur it. So I filter it. I don't think so. I don't think I filter it. Okay, I do. Reduce the, no, not you. Reduce the, okay, so 30-20. You reduce the brightness by 30, you increase the contrast by 20. Right, put one here. Copy. Send this to the back. Reduce the opacity by 35. Yes. Send this to the back again. And you are good. So what else? Alright. So copy this. Copy the design, the text. Copy it. Remove the texture. The color will be, make it transparent. Alright. By using this, make it transparent. So then add stroke. Add stroke. The stroke will be 1. So bring it on it, exactly on it. Alright, just this way. The same process with this. Copy, add stroke 1, and the color of the stroke will be white. So I'm bring it on it too. Alright, so that's how I got that, and our design is ready. So you would love to, what you would love to do now is to check your alignment. So if anything is not aligned, you try and move them. You can say I even got the alignment right, just that the one at the bottom there, the sign up thing. So you move them. Alright, we are good. Is anything missing again? What other thing? Okay. Hey. Right, there's a kind of, if you check this white, there's a kind of pattern there. So let me look for the pattern. Alright, the pattern is here. So increase it. Use erase color on it. Erase color. Alright, the tolerance will be 18 plus 18. Then change the color to black, and you are good. So after that, try and place it well. Then send it to the back. Click on this white, send it to the back, and you can find it there. Let's still increase the tolerance to like 20. Oh, wait. Okay, 22. The tolerance is 22 now. So we are good. We are very good. So that's how I was able to create this. Okay, one more thing, I added shadow to this. The opacity is -14, so you can do that. Then reduce the radius to 0. The y, okay, offset x is +3. and this one is +4. So the same thing applies to this. Shadow -14, 0 +3 +4, and we are good. So thank you once again for staying with me. I believe you've learned a lot. So thank you. My name remains. So before you can now save as project. Don't forget, save as project, design and earn 001. Then you save as image using Ultra. Alright, so you are good. Thank you once again. My name is Testimony Adekunle.